In this video, we'll show you what to do if you keep getting this error that says Samsung account keeps stopping. So to fix this, first head to the settings app. Now scroll all the way down and then tap on apps. Here you will need to tap this search icon at the top and then look for OneDrive. So just type in OneDrive and then tap on the first result. Now here you will need to go to this permissions section. Now here make sure that the OneDrive app has all the permissions it needs. So if you have not allowed a specific permission, simply go ahead and allow it. Once you have done this, go back to the apps menu and this time search for Samsung account. So simply type in Samsung account and then select this result. Now again go to the permissions section and allow all the disallowed permissions from here. Once you have done this, scroll down and then tap on storage. Now here tap the clear cache option. Now go back to the previous menu, tap the force stop option and then hit OK. Once you have done this, you should no longer see the error that says Samsung account keeps stopping. However, if this doesn't work, what you need to do is find the Galaxy Store app on your phone, long press on it and then select this update apps option. Now this will take you to this update page. Simply tap on this update all option and then wait for the apps to be updated. After that you should no longer experience problems. However, if nothing else works, your last option is to head to the settings app, tap on your Samsung account at the top. Now here scroll down and then tap on linked accounts. Now here you should see your Microsoft account right here. Simply tap the three dot icon next to it and then select unlink. Once you have done this, you should no longer experience any errors. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.